Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Hedera. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern that HBAR has formed on the weekly time frame chart, and we will again take a look at this bearish pennant and this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of Hedera that I shared with my members almost 6 days ago on 21st of October, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that Hedera has formed on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, before this, I've already shared a very huge harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Hedera has formed on the monthly time frame chart, and which is still in play. And before this chart, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern. Let me play this chart, then you can see on this 4-hour time frame chart we had a nice reversal after hitting the sell target zone. The price line again moved down. But the more important pattern that I want to show you here is this one, that is a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Hedera formed in the month of on this candlestick in the month of July 2021. And when we had this previous drop, when we were forming this falling wedge pattern, and then we broke out this resistance of the wedge in the month of July 2021, and then we had a very powerful rally. And you can see at that time it formed this harmonic bullish reversal guarded move on the weekly time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line from 18 cents rallied up to 57.6 cents. That was more than 215% rally, but again moved down. This time Hedera has also formed another harmonic bullish reversal setup, and that is a bigger harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And at the same time, you can see Hedera has formed a very huge falling wedge pattern. This is the live weekly time frame chart, and you can see this time we have a bigger falling wedge pattern. After breaking down this smaller falling wedge, we have formed another bigger falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we have also formed another bigger than the previous harmonic move, that is a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone and moving sideways. And our sell targets, by the way, as per this cipher, are from 30 cents approximately, and goes to approximately up to 48 cents. Now let's take a look at the most recent idea that I shared almost 6 days ago. And if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line has started a reversal move from here, and now we are very close to hit the sell target zone. Now if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that the previous support of this wedge pattern is still in play. And when we had this big drop after breaking down this falling wedge pattern in the month of April to May 2022, we broke it down. We tested the same support of this previous falling wedge pattern here as well, and after 1, 2, and 3 touch points, the price line is again geared up, and now it is struggling to break up once again, break above this resistance that we have at 6 cents. Sometimes we are moving above this resistance, and sometimes we are moving below than this resistance. Here we had a nice pump, a short pump, but again moved down, and now we are sometimes moving above and sometimes moving below than this support level. And at the same time, you can see Hedera is also forming a very big double bottom pattern as well, that is approximately at 5.5 cents. And this is a quite positive signal that we are really going to start a powerful reversal move from here. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here Hedera has formed a bearish pennant, still moving inside this pennant, and the movement is getting squeezed. And on the smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see it has formed this down channel. Now for example, Hedera, if Hedera breaks out the resistance of this down channel, and then our target will be here at the top of the channel, that will be approximately at 6.7 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance of the bearish pennant as well. Obviously it is a bullish bias pattern, therefore there is a probability that we may break it out, and our final target for this pennant will be here at the top of the pennant. That will be very close to 10 cents, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger resistance of the falling wedge pattern. By the way, once the price line will be able to break out this bigger resistance of the falling wedge pattern, then our target for this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 50 to 55 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.